Welcome to Mono VM, where we simplify server setups and networking for everyone. In this tutorial, we will learn step by step how to enable the root user on Ubuntu and, if needed, allow remote access via SSH for it. First, we clear the terminal using this command to have a clean workspace for the following steps. As the first step, we are going to find the operating system version. This helps us confirm that we are working on Ubuntu or a similar distribution. Running this command displays details like the distribution name, version number, and other system information. For example, you might see Ubuntu 22.04 LTS. Then, we use the whoami command to see which user is currently logged in. By this command, the system directly shows your current username. Next, we can look at the full list of users on the system by reading the password file, which contains all user accounts. This command shows a list of all system users, each line representing one user account. Among them, the root account will also be visible. Now, and at another step, we want to set a password for the root user. By default, root is usually disabled in Ubuntu, so we need to define a new password to activate it. So, use this, sudo password root. First, it will ask for your current user password. Then, you enter the new password for root twice. If successful, you will see a message like, password updated successfully. After setting the root password, we exit the current user session. Running this command logs you out of the current session and prepares you to log in as root. Now, it is time to switch to the root account using the su command. Now that we have set the root password, this login is possible. If you enter the correct password, the terminal prompt changes to hashtag, indicating you are now logged in as root. After successfully logging in as root, we check whether the SSH service is running. SSH allows remote connections to the system. Running this command will display the status of the SSH service. If you see active running, it means that SSH is currently running. Keep in mind that if SSH is not installed, we need to install it using this command. The why option will automatically confirm the installation without having to enter it manually. You will see the installation process begin, with packages being downloaded and installed. At the end, a message confirms the successful installation. Next, we open the SSH configuration file to enable remote root login. With this command, which opens the configuration file in the nano editor, allowing you to make changes. In the open file, find the line starting with permit root login and change its value from prohibit password to yes. If this line is commented out with a hashtag, remove the hashtag first. Therefore, after saving changes with Ctrl+O and exiting nano with Ctrl+X, you will return to the terminal. In the final step, it's time to restart the SSH service to apply the new settings. If the command runs without errors, it means the SSH service has restarted successfully and the new configuration is active. Now everything is ready. You can log in as root locally or via SSH and have full access. Once logged in, you will see the hashtag prompt again, indicating root level access.